No disso que vem menino, wagimalao wagimaga kumoi, aje osa no jorião, ergiragbon ergireimi. No disso que vem menino, wagimalao wagimaga kumoi. Buongiorno ragazzi. Good day to everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Is your baby girl m.c.a girls? We had that foundation last time and we are going to be doing a review for it, like using it and see how it really look on our skin. Okay, Hyundai Beauty is one of the best makeup for any older women, young ladies, any kind of skin you have is okay. Is a good foundation because it's a full coverage for you. And in case you have from 25 years, I recommend this foundation. After 25 years, you know, we normally have this wrinkle. Depends of the everybody. There are some people, they are not up to 5 years. Some white ladies, even some African ladies, they may be having this line, these wrinkles down of your eyes, you know. Is a normal thing. It's a normal thing. As far as you are more than 20 years, something must shake the face. Okay, sorry guys, my name is not a point. I'm going to be doing it in a short while. So that is it. This short intro, just enjoy it. So down of this waterline is no normal, you know, perfect once you are 30 years and above. Like me that I'm 30 something now. You can easily see sometimes I have it, you know. Yeah, depends of if I'm not making makeup, you can see that. Okay, so it's a normal thing. It's a normal thing, and you are not somebody that is fat that have excess skin on your skin, so it's normal. Okay, so this foundation is very good in the according to in Italy, alta coprenza, quindi ti copre di tutto e poi è molto cremoso. It has a lot of cream in it, so it's very, very good in case you are 40, 50, even 60. If you still love to wear makeup at the age of 60, rock it mommy, rock it mommy. Okay, so just we are going to be doing it, but before that, let me quickly set my nails. You guys know my nails is everything, and as I put my nails in order, we are going to be doing the makeup in a short while. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video and like. As you do that, God in heaven will bless you. My returning subscribers, I love you mommy. Thank you for tuning in, cc. You are loved and highly appreciated. Okay, thank you for tuning in. Let me get my nails and we will go to the makeup. Okay, I hope you understand the way I explain this Hyundai Beauty. Okay, this is what we are going to be using, and there are two. Okay, we are going to be mixing it. This is the shade Amaranth, and this very one is a cinnamon. Okay, we are going to be mixing these two shades together to give us a beautiful and a nice. Let's see how it goes, and this is what I'll be using to mix it. Okay, keep watching, darling. Thank you for coming, mommy. Okay, I'm going direct to the color that I will be going for, but at the same time I don't really know any color that may come out of it. Okay, but first of all, I've already used concealer. Go direct to the makeup right now, as I said before. And there was because I was wearing earpiece, I didn't even know that I was wearing my earpiece, and most of the thing I was just saying it was not on the video. Okay, maybe I may use voice cover to cover it up, but I don't know. So that is it. The first of all, I'm going to be using this beige to blend everything, because it's always good to use beige eyeshadow to set all the places. So be using this brown over here just to darken my outer V. This is it. So I'll be going for this my MAC palette. I'll be using this my MAC 3D. This is MAC 3D palette, and this is how it is. I did the review on my old channel. This is it. So I'll be going for this MAC palette right now, and I think we should go for something like this. This color, or what do you guys think? Let me go for one color. In case it's not okay, we'll just change it. Let me go for this. I love this one. And this one. This is a MAC eyeshadow. Can you see the thing that I have here? I love it, guys. Makeup is everything, and makeup is time and patience. You just need to have the time for it and it will come. Okay guys, this is what I did with it, and then of it I used this very brown here to smoke it. Yeah, it's just like dark chocolate color. There is no particular name to call it. It's not even a maroon, neither a brown chocolate. It's just something like, you know, I don't, you can see the color over there, just that dark nude. So that is the one. And so guys, I'm going to be using this my matte concealer to cut the down of the waterline, just to cut it to give it a straight line. And look at how beautiful it is, guys. Then we are now going for the foundation, and then for the lashes and the eyeliner. This is it, guys. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at the cold crease, everything. For the primer, I'm going to be using this Benefit over here. Okay, I've already primed it before starting the makeup all over, but I'm just gonna retap it. Yeah, just gonna retap it a little bit. Okay, this primer is for oil skin. In case you have oil, like you have a nerve, you are oil skin girls, and your oil is just flowing, like they want to fry pop off. You're gonna use it. It's very, very good. If you have a lot of oil that do fry pop off in your face, you just tap it in the place you have it. Like me, I have it on my T-zone. Yeah, and on top of my beautiful nose. Yeah. Okay, I will just open it. Okay, you know, it's like that. Okay, so we're gonna cut. Let me look for something to cut it. Okay, this is the two foundation, and they also wrote it here, 1 to 2 pumps for full coverage. So just 1 to 2 pump for a full coverage. So I will take this my coat. I have a coat, the baby is here. Okay, this is it, and you can see the difference, the darker one and the light one. Even this light one is already my shade. I'm just too white for my liking. I'm just too white. Shout out to Vicky Mega Organic Skincare by +39 37 14 74 45 98. Vicky Mega Organic Skincare. These kids, they can disturb. I'm up. Okay guys, this is it. This is the foundation. Look down of my neck and everything. Just 2 pump of this one, and just 1 tiny pump of this darker shade, and this is what we have. Guys, I won't lie, for the foundation, it's okay according to the first intro. Just go for it. Once you are 25 years old, you need this kind of foundation to cover your face very well. You will turn to a baby again. Look at that face. Just only with this foundation, you are okay. You don't even need more things to add to it in case you don't like heavy makeup. But if you like heavy makeup, let's go. Okay, now it's time to conceal. And for the concealer, let's remember we have this new one from Sephora. I'm gonna open it right now, and sorry for the noise because baby is here and Obi is not home yet. So I'm gonna open this new one also. So this is it. This is white. This is white, real white. real white, but I like it. I love concealer that is more watered down than the foundation. Not that much because the foundation have already covered the one that I need. Look at that. So now this very one is a shade 0070B. Okay, so 12 months to expire. So I'll be using this my beauty blender without dipping it to the water, the one that I used before. I have new beauty blender also. I have new beauty blender also to emboss. I make mistake with concealer with my eyeshadow. I'll correct that later. So, okay guys, I'm done with the makeup. Grazie amore, sei carino. My son just brought me necklace to add to the tree so that I will have a beautiful face for you guys. Grazie amore. So guys, we are done with the makeup, and okay guys, I'm done with the makeup and I believe you love it. In case you love it, let me know. In case you don't like it, this is what I can do as a mother. Yeah, I try my best, my possible best to do this makeup for Christmas, for New Year, like going out for the New Year Eve, going out for the Christmas wash night, even the very day of Christmas. If you can do this makeup, just do it and glow for yourself, for birthday, for marriage, any kind of, like the latches. Guys, I love these volume latches. So this is the finishing look, and I appreciate everybody that supporting my channel and that has supported me so far. You guys are well appreciate. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for supporting your baby girl Bianca Bellezza girls. Thank you so much, so much. Words are not enough for me to express my great gratitude. I remain humble, and somebody who paid Applico to promote my channel. I'm still like in the mood of appreciation. I appreciate you. God will bless you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for finding the truth on that very video of Make Una Leave Italy Alone. I appreciate. It's a place where I live, where there's better many people. We have the betterment of Italy. Let's not just neglect that fact. Looking for a job, to get a job is difficult. And yeah, if you have the opportunity and you study, you will surely work for what you desire for. Yeah, it's just a matter of time, and you look and you search. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I remain humble, your Bianca Belletta girls, and the foundation is the best. The foundation is so beautiful. The foundation is everything. You will love it. Okay, thank you. Hey guys, thank you for watching. The foundation is beautiful, but this baby won't allow me to showcase it. I don't know why. So guys, that is it. The foundation is a berry. The foundation is everything. The foundation is beautiful, guys. I love it. This baby is something else. So that is it, guys. Is your baby girl. Bye, mama. Bye, guys. Go and get your foundation. This foundation is one of the best. Bye.